up, you guys? It's Nita. Let me actually get my coffee in my system first before I start making a whole video. Welcome back to the channel and happy new year. Hopefully you all had a great new year. I am currently trying to get into the swing of things, so for today's video we are going to be doing something I've never done before. We are going to be making a vision board. I use vision boards from Pinterest all the time as my wallpapers for like my phone and my iPad and my laptop, but I'm gonna make my own this year. I've never done this before, so hopefully it's not trash. I'm gonna be making a digital vision. Why can't I say these words? I'm going to be making a digital vision board. I think I'm gonna use my iPad to do it, and I'm gonna use Canva. Honey, y'all have hyped Canva up, okay, over the past year, so I'm gonna use it and we're gonna see how this goes. And if I don't like it, it's your fault.
A few moments later.
Okay, so before I start using Canva for anything, I'm gonna need some time to actually learn how to use it. So we're not using Canva anymore for this video. We're gonna use PicsArt, which I'm actually comfortable using. So we're gonna go down here to the plus. Please ignore all my pictures. We're gonna go with a blank. We're gonna go with a blank. Tools, crop. And we're gonna make it, let's make it the size of an Instagram story so it'll fit on my phone screen. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go to Pinterest. I'm gonna get a bunch of pictures. Over the past week or so, I've kind of already been planning out the things that I want to achieve for this year. We're gonna go through that and we're gonna take the things that I know that I already want and make that into the vision board. I've changed the background color of my picture. I like pink. The way I'm gonna go about this is I'm just gonna go through categories of things that I want and find a couple pictures for each category, like 1 or 2, maybe 3, and save them to my phone. I do want to get more into fitness. Okay, this is cute. I'm gonna screenshot this. I see that I'm gravitating more towards darker colors. Like, I like pink, but I also like a darker aesthetic, so we're gonna have to make that work. Oh, we also want to focus on our relationship with God this year. Ooh, I love this one. Oh my God, who did this? Artistically Lit. Y'all go check them out. Artistically Lit. My next category for the year is going to be my diet. So I want to work on implementing more of a plant-based diet, I think. No, I'm gonna commit to it. How about we search, plant-based aesthetic. You know, we gotta throw that word aesthetic in there when we want things to look. This is what I need. I need things to look good. Yeah, I like the basket. I like that. Ooh. Oh, this one's a link. No, go back to Pinterest. Next category, social media. I want this to be my job. It's very part-time right now, very part-time, but I would love for it to be a full-time thing for me eventually. So vlogger aesthetic. I love this first picture that came up. Although I'm not like a makeup person, so I'm gonna leave that where that is. Oh, it said blogger. I meant vlogger, babe. I don't blog. I don't have a blog. I actually do have a little Medium, but I wouldn't call it a blog per se, because I've only posted on it like once. If you're interested in reading that though, I'll link it below. Oh, I love this right here. It encompasses vlogging and another category that I kind of want to get more into this year, travel. A twofer? Oh, y'all aren't seeing what I'm doing because I'm not recording my screen. Woe is me. I started putting some images on here already. I think I want to kind of fill in these 2 gaps over here. Let's see. Do I have 2 more photos that I'd like to put there? No, but I will start putting words on the screen. So I'm actually going to crop the bottom off because I didn't realize that I didn't have the bottom. Yeah, I'm going to crop the bottom off here. Do I want a filter on this? Maybe HD. Ooh, no, make it unsharp just a bit. Okay, I like that. So we're gonna add some words to this. What kind of words? I don't know. So I'm gonna go over here to sticker. Okay, let's actually do 2023. I kind of like this one right here. We can put it down here. Inspirational. Oh, love yourself. Love that for me. Oh, can you even see this right here? Nah, you can't see it. Let's move to 2023. Is that cute? No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm gonna take the quotes from these and literally just put them on mine. So, oh, hold the vision and trust the process. I like that. I'm gonna make my own. We're gonna go to text here. Trust the process. Oh, I like this color. I also want that quote about mindset. Mindset is everything. Great. Mindset is everything. Actually, let's make the stroke bigger. There we go. Ooh, I am creating the life of my dreams. I like that one. The life of my... I want to do dreams in a different font. So we're gonna do the... Ooh, no. I'll put the dreams in later. What else? Any other quotes I like? Twitter motivation. I just like to pause right here to say, if you're liking this video, don't forget to if you're liking this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. These are all there. Ooh. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. My main focus right now is making a better me. Add a photo here. My main focus right now is making a better me. I like that, and I'm gonna put that right there. What font do I like? Sure. Gloria Hallelujah. Is that Glorilla? Glorilla. Oh, I kind of like this, but not really. How do I feel about that? I hate it. Nope. It's the font, you guys. Oh, I kind of like this. I kind of like that. Is that how you spell dream? I know how to spell dream, I promise I do. But I've been looking at this word for too long and it looks so weird now. D-R-E-A-M-S. Okay, all right, I had to check. I like this. Let's apply everything. I like this. I like this. I don't know if this is gonna be my vision board for the rest of the year. I might end up like changing it a bit as I go along and like accomplish goals or whatnot. But this is what I'm starting off with. And I like it. I know it's not the best, but it's mine. I made it. I'm gonna put it on my Pinterest, and yeah. I think I did a pretty okay job for like a first vision board. I'm actually gonna go ahead and make this one of my wallpapers. I did it. I enjoyed this. This is a cool little project. It was frustrating me a bit, not gonna lie, but this is a cool little project. If you're ever thinking about making a vision board for yourself, like a digital vision board, really all you need to do is pick where you're gonna make it. So I made mine in PicsArt, but again, a lot of people make them in Canva. There are a bunch of other apps you can use. Think of a bunch of different categories that you wanna add to your vision board, like travel, health, wealth, things like that. Find some really cute pictures. I got all of mine from Pinterest and just put it all together in a way that's creative and looks good for you. I'm so glad that you guys stuck with me throughout the video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm really excited for this year, y'all.